Define your character's role and purpose. Before designing, decide what role your character plays in the game. Are they a hero, villain, sidekick, or NPC? Consider their abilities, personality, and impact on the game world. A strong concept makes the design process easier and more meaningful. Choose a unique visual style. Your character's appearance should reflect their personality and the game's overall art style. Whether it's realistic, cartoonish, pixelated, or anime-inspired, consistency is key. Use color palettes, shapes, and silhouettes to make them visually distinct. Develop a backstory and personality. A compelling backstory adds depth. What's their history, motivations, strengths, and weaknesses? A warrior with a tragic past, a rogue AI seeking freedom, or a mischievous spirit tricking players. These elements make a character memorable and engaging. Create a functional design for gameplay. The design should align with game mechanics. If the character is agile, give them a slim, athletic build. A tank character may have heavy armor and a large frame. Think about how they move, attack, and interact with the environment. Sketch initial concepts and refinements. Start with rough sketches to explore different designs. Experiment with outfits, hairstyles, weapons, and accessories. Once satisfied, refine the design with cleaner linework and detailed rendering using tools like Photoshop, Blender, or Procreate. Choose the right colors and materials. Colors can convey emotions and roles. A hero may wear bright, vibrant colors, while a villain might have dark, ominous tones. Think about materials too. Does the character wear leather, metal armor, or futuristic nanotech suits? These choices affect the game's aesthetic and storytelling. Animate and bring them to life. For animated games, create a sprite sheet or 3D model. Define walk cycles, attack moves, facial expressions, and idle animations. Use software like Blender for 3D modeling or Sprite for pixel art to make the character feel alive and interactive. Add distinctive features and signature items. Give your character unique traits, a scar, glowing eyes, mechanical limbs, or an iconic weapon. These details make them recognizable and set them apart. A signature gesture, catchphrase, or battle stance can also reinforce their personality. Test and get feedback. Once designed, test how the character looks and feels in-game. Gather feedback from players, artists, and developers. Adjust proportions, textures, or animations to improve the final result while keeping gameplay balance and visual appeal in mind. Finalize and integrate into the game. Once perfected, export the character for implementation into the game engine. Ensure textures, animations, and physics work smoothly. Whether for a platformer, RPG, or fighting game, your character is now ready to become a part of the game's world.